Okay, so use A equals LW, or L times W, length times width, to give the area. Okay, so we're talking area for the rectangle. So let's use that formula. A equals length times width. So all you need to do, plug in what you know. And in this case, area equals length is 8. It's the longest side, times width. And width in this case is 2.5. So you can use your calculator, it's no big deal. Yep, I'll use one as well. So what is that? 8 times 2.5, and look at that, it's 20. Nearly finished. Make sure that you use the units of measurement as well. We're talking meters, so make sure you're using meters as well. It's area, so that means it's squared units. And that is the correct answer. For the second one, again, let's just start off with the same thing. We use the formula. So area equals length times width. Plug in what we know. We don't know the area yet, but we do know the length. That's 12. So 12 times 9.2. Okay, so that's a bit of a hassle with the 9.2, but luckily we have a rescue package in the shape of a calculator. So let's use our calculator. 12 times 9.2, and that gives us 110.4 meters. It's area, so it's squared. And the last one over here is this one over here. So again, just start with the formula. Can't go wrong if you start like that. Area equals, let's plug in what we know, so 3.6 times 1.1. Okay, and again, why make it hard on ourselves? Let's go straight to our calculator and figure out what the correct answer is going to be. So what is it? 3.6 times 1.1, and that is the answer, 3.96. And what's the unit of measurement? We're talking meters, and it's area, so make sure it's squared. And that should be the correct answer.